When we power on, you'll see the console boot up. This is what you're going to come up to, this screen. So we'll have this first page here, layer A. I basically set these up as what your last board was labeled in the same order and everything. This fader, we can consider it the master. It's also whichever bus you have selected. So on your last board, you had the dials for your auxes and effects sends, or I don't think you use any effects, but you had your auxes. Now your auxes will be this mix 1, 2 for your aux 1 and 2. So you press that, and now your faders are going to your aux 1 channel. Simple as that. Aux 2, same thing. When we're done with aux 2, you either press it again or you hit left, right, and we'll be back to the main bus.
Okay.
That's what messes me up most times is I'll be there and not realize it. I'm like, why can't I not hear a difference in the house? Oh yeah, I'm still selected on an aux. So just be mindful of what you're selected on. Now your subwoofers are not automatically tied to the mains. You will now have to mix individually to the subwoofers. They are on aux 8. The reason for that is there's certain things that you don't want to send to your subwoofers if you can avoid it, like your lapel mics and stuff. That's what will give you feedback first. So anything vocal, we won't send to the subs. So right now, I was listening to my music. I had that in the subs. We'll put piano in the subs. Guitar, we can put a little bit in there. But we won't put everything.
And am I seeing right? The computer left. Are we running? Is it?
It's stereo.
It's still stereo.
So on this board, stereo channels are set up as stereo. Will be a single fader.
Good. Nice to know that.
So when we hit select on any channel, we'll first see the bank of 8 show up. So this will show you the first 8 faders. But the fact that we have the select light on there, these controls, your EQ, preamp, high pass gate, and compressor are all active to whatever channel is selected. You can visually see all of those parameters for each strip, low res. But if you were to click on one, like decide you need to work on the EQ for lapel 1, you simply click on the EQ for lapel 1 and it comes up to full screen.